Well, to all the haters out there, looks like Tesla is the cheapest car to maintain. Yes, back in the day, Teslas used to be expensive. They definitely were. Their original model, these cars did start over $100,000, and some Teslas are still in that price range above $60,000, and those cars can be technically expensive. And this is a true thing, can't argue that fact. But now Teslas are starting to drop under $40,000. This is a trend that will continue. No matter what you guys say, or all the haters who say that electric cars are too expensive, or this and that, and blah, 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 you can start to put that to rest because this trend will continue, especially for the fact that Tesla will be coming out with a car that costs $25,000. And it may change, due to inflation to keep up with the numbers and all that stuff. But even Ford are planning on coming out with a car that's $25,000. See, this is the trend that people do not want to recognize. Electric vehicles are getting cheaper and they're coming to the market. So the excuse that people have been using for years, saying that EVs are too expensive, they're rich people toys, that you could put that to end, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, Tesla's, not just Tesla's, BYD, a Chinese automotive company, they already are selling an electric vehicle for $10,000, okay? So now, clearly, it's been proven that electric vehicles can be efficient and cheaper than cars that are basically have engines. So the price cuts that people keep talking about, saying that, oh, electric vehicles are losing money, they're cutting prices. But actually, no, this has been the plan since Tesla started their company. They literally said that we're going to make an expensive car, start there with a sports car, and the money we make from that, make a cheaper car, which was the newer Model S. And then they repeated that trend and they came out with the Model 3 and then the Model Y. And then eventually they're going to have the Model 2. This is the car that is going to put a smackdown on the car industry. So most people say that Toyotas are the most cheapest cars to get, but check it out. You can get a Camry TRD for about $38,000. And on top of that, you can get a Tesla Model 3 for about the same price, roughly. Also, to maintain a Tesla is just becoming cheaper and cheaper. There are fewer moving parts inside of electric vehicles. When it comes to cars with engines, they have 200 or up to 2,000 moving parts. And you can only imagine if you have so many parts, you have more chances of things going wrong and more chances of things to fix. When it comes to an electric vehicle, there's only really the battery and windows, steering wheels and the wheels, windshield wipers. I mean, not a lot of parts. The drivetrain probably has maybe 20 parts. Like, this is revolutionary. So the idea of an electric vehicle being expensive, I mean, we can kind of start putting that to rest. I mean, the proof is in the pudding. It cost $500 in the first 6 years to maintain a Tesla. And of course, this will be the anomaly of a car break, like a Tesla battery going to crap. I mean, it's just like someone saying I had to replace my brand new car with a brand new engine. I mean, it's very unlikely. Does it happen? Yes. But the point I'm trying to make is that you can see from this chart, in the first 6 years, it costs about $500 to maintain a Tesla. And by the time you get to 10 years, the cost of it would be about $4,000 to have maintained this car. So overall, it's definitely the cheaper car to buy is an electric vehicle. And like I said, this trend will continue. EVs are becoming more and more efficient and made more and more efficient. So to all the haters out there who say that electric cars are too expensive, don't you worry, the prices will continue to drop. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. I post videos daily. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. I post videos about the auto market, big tech, Tesla, and all sorts of things. I'll catch you guys next time.